Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with DeLonghi Magnifica. This machine was brought in because it wouldn't turn on or won't stay on, and so we ended up replacing the control board up here, which was malfunctioning, not allowing you to do things like turn the machine off and on and brew certain coffees. So we replaced that. Also noticed the machine was dirty, so we tuned it up, replaced the lower brew group assembly, cleaned the upper assembly, lubricated all the moving parts, and descaled the machine. Now here it is, working once again. Let's pull a test shot. And there it is, DeLonghi Magnifica, functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.